It is our privilege here at Smith Strong to meet with clients in their most difficult chapter of their life, the death of a spouse or a loved one in their family. Usually in the probate or estate administration context, there's a lot of questions, and they're happening right at a point of crisis. You've just had a special person in your life pass away, and now all of a sudden you're worried, well, I want to represent them well and be a good steward of their legacy, but I'm worried I'm forgetting to do something or I'm not doing something fast enough. Be at peace on this. I want you to take 2 steps, and then you'll be at peace of mind over the next steps. 2 steps. Number 1, set up a call with our office. Step 2, during that call, we'll set up a complete consultation, an hour and a half in-person Zoom or teleconference, where we'll be able to lay out next steps and strategies and how exactly to handle it based on your situation exactly. But I want you to take time for yourself. So realize in the first week or 30 days, the only thing you really should do is schedule a quick call with us and a sit-down meeting in person or by Zoom. Once you do that, as family members approach you in the first few days after someone passes, you'll be able to say, oh, I've got a meeting scheduled on such and such a date, and I'll be in touch with you after that. That'll put them at ease, it'll put you at peace, give you peace of mind. So as you're grieving and handling the loss of your family member or loved one, they'll know you're on top of it, you'll know you're on top of it. So in that first 30 days, you can focus on yourself, your family, and the grieving process, which is where your head, frankly, should be in those days and weeks just after someone passes. So if I want to go a little further though, Van, what else can I gather? First, I want you to make sure you gather 12 copies of their certificate of death. You'll be asked this or offered this at the funeral home or at the hospital. Go ahead and get 12 or 13 copies of the certificate of death. Second, I want you to gather their estate plan if you can find the original, great, or a copy if you can't find the original. Next, I want you to gather any title of any property or beach residence or main residence. A title or a copy of the title is fine. Next, I want you to grab one statement of any bank account in just their name. If it's in the name of them plus a joint party, do I want that? Yes, but primary focus is in bank accounts in just their name. Once you have those, what accounts were you also joint on, or were they also joint on, either with them and a trust, or them and a spouse, or them and a child, or adult child, or loved one? Bring all of those. Next, an investment account, or a brokerage account, or stock or bond statements. So investment accounts, non-retirement investment accounts. Next, I'd like you to think about grabbing a statement and printing it off and putting it in an envelope or a box or a folder of their retirement statement. Qualified retirement accounts like IRAs, 401ks. One around the time of the month of death, but if you can only find one from 6 months ago, fine. Just give us what you've got. Put that in the folder or the box to bring with you to the appointment. Next, I'd like you to have a copy of the life insurance, just the declaration page. If you've got the policy and you're not sure what a declaration page is, great, bring us the whole thing. But if you have the declaration page, that's sufficient. A declaration page will say what the policy is, who holds the policy, the name of the policy, the benefit or death benefit, and the beneficiaries. Finally, any miscellaneous documents. Maybe they had a pension. Maybe they have a timeshare. Maybe they have a classic car, so the title to that car or vehicle. Again, we're trying to assemble what is in just their name. With those documents assembled, a call scheduled with us, and an in-person or Zoom meeting scheduled with us for a more complete strategy session, you can be at peace. Take the time you need to be with family. Take time for yourself, and know that the process will be handled in an orderly and systematic fashion. It's our privilege to meet you in these difficult chapters of your life and guide you with a systematic, disciplined approach, whether we're facing probate of a will or the administration of a trust. We look forward to helping you.